Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Casey's Never-Ending Projects. But this one is a really good one. Check out what I got. That is carbon freaking fiber. Like, I'm gonna learn how to make it. This is a 20-yard roll of carbon fiber. Like, that should be enough to make something super cool. Now, here's the thing. There's multiple ways to make carbon fiber. The way that I'm going to be doing it is just with compression with no heat. That means that I'm not going to be able to make things that are supposed to be tempered, like hoods and things like that. But hopefully I'll be able to get an autoclave eventually or something. But for now, we're going to be doing some small projects with this stuff in order to get some practice with it. Now, I've got a few projects in mind. So let me know what you guys think about this. The first thing I was thinking about doing was this piece right here, which is a plastic fascia that goes onto the trunk. Now, it's really not very heavy because it's plastic, but still, that would look so cool in carbon fiber, and it would look great mixed right in with this carbon fiber splitter. So that's kind of my first thought for a project. I know it's super tacky, but of course I was thinking about the door, except making an actual carbon fiber door instead of a little wrap. I might not actually do that one, but it's a thought. Another thing I was thinking about was if I could get carbon fiber on here. Again, mostly a lot of this is just to practice trying to make stuff, and the shape on this I think would be really cool for that. But I don't know, I might not actually make that just because I don't want to tear it apart and it turns out that it wouldn't work or something. But I mean, I've got a few ideas and most of them probably won't work, or at least not until I get better at making stuff. But let me know what you guys think. Like, what would you like to see made out of carbon fiber? Because I would like to try some cool stuff, and hopefully I've got a guy that that might actually be able to teach me the ins and outs of carbon fiber later on this year. That's for another video. But anyway, let me know what you guys think. Like, I'm super excited because carbon fiber. So, I mean, anyway, well, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Let me know what you guys think of the carbon fiber. If you've got any ideas for carbon fiber, I would love to hear your ideas, and I'll see you guys next time.